All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, prices down right this second. Great time to check this out. Get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day, every single day. Get more drip right now because the price is down. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Saitama. What happened in Dubai? They won a big award, which is fantastic. We're going to go over that. Go to the Twitter account, check out their website. Their mission is to help train the youth on their finances, which is fantastic. A lot of big things coming out of Dubai over there at the Crypto Expo. What's going on there? Also, we're going to talk about Nvidia graphics cards are down right this second. They lowered their price 30 to 35%. So this could be a great time to get some graphics cards because the price is coming down. So all kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Saitama. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Saitama Inu Saitama is 28.86. It's down about 7% in the last 7 days. We're going to go ahead and click it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 11, 111. Down about 8% in the last 24 hours. We're going to do a price prediction when we're done. Checking out in the last 24 hours what's going on. What's going on in the last 7 days. 7 days, it's down slightly right this second, about 7%. In the last 24 hours, it's down about 7% in 24 hours too. So what's the big news going on? All right, over here at Saitama's Twitter account, welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform that promotes global finance well-being by empowering the youth to be in control of their money. So here's some good stuff. Testing around with the beta Saitama Safe. So a lot of good testing going on. So here we go. Saitama won the most transparent project at Dubai. Take a look at this, everybody.
Congratulations, thank you.
So that's pretty fantastic. So they're saying right here, we're thrilled to be announced that they won the most transparent award project in the Crypto Expo in Dubai 2022. So then they won the most transparent. Now you have to feel comfortable out of all the companies that are there, and they're saying Saitama is the most transparent. You have to feel comfortable working with these guys, right? So we got a little quick punch here going on. We're going to come back to this, the crypto adoption going on in Dubai with Saitama, which is fantastic. And then, hey, everybody, happy St. Patrick's Day. It says, come check our accessories and our NFT cards. Join Saitama Dubai at the Wolfpack. So they were giving out cards at Dubai to share their event. See us tomorrow. But, hey, they won it. They won the actual most transparent award in Dubai. And they were giving out playing cards. So you just got to be happy of all the good things that are going on. Again, you got some of your pictures going on. Just kind of trying to let you feel like you were there. What's going on there. Won the most transparent. And then right here, they made all kinds of announcements and moves of what's going on in Dubai. All right, over here at the website, Fostering the Future of Finance. Welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunity. The Saitama token is our medium. It was built on Ethereum blockchain ER20 with smart codes to make it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. Again, their basically big thing is to educate the youth, is to educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. It said, although digital currency has been around for over a decade, we are still at the early stages of revolutionizing reorganizing our society, redistributing wealth, and giving anyone a chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join. So truthfully, the people that are going to be getting into cryptocurrency, they're going to make a big difference, aren't even in yet. But for global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need to not overcome technology hurdles, but simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content that makes people comfortable with money while they invest, opening unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Pretty awesome. Saitama wins the award Most Transparent at the Dubai Crypto Expo. I mean, that's pretty fantastic. A lot of things going on. They were giving out playing cards, getting people to know about Saitama. Their mission statement is to teach the youth and let the youth learn about their financing. But again, big award, Most Transparent in Dubai. Congratulations, Saitama. All right. What else is going on with cryptocurrency? Well, GPU cards are actually coming down. Nvidia is actually now lowering the price of their cards. So let's go ahead and head on over. We like to talk about mining, and these are mining cards that people use, and also gaming cards. Nvidia GeForce RT 30 series GPUs are now cheaper. RTX 3090s TIs arrive. Nvidia's current flagship is their 3090 graphics card is now under 2,000 euros for the first time since August. Nvidia is dropping their price of their GeForce RT 30 series. GPUs across the world with the current flagship GeForce RT 3090 dropping to under 2,000 euros in Germany and Australia for the first time since August. So what's going on here? GeForce RTX 3090s reach a less than 2,000 euros for the first time since August. The 3dcenter.org has been keeping track of the prices of the GeForce RT 3090, where the 3090 was roughly right around 31.99 euros back in May, floating down to around 2,500 for the first time ever. Now, what does that price prediction look for us? For US dollars, 3090s have been running right around $2,300, and it looks like they're actually dropping to around 1685. So it's not just in Europe, but in all kinds of areas in Australia. There's a lot of places that the gaming cards are coming down. The RT 3080s have dropped 35% in a single day. So looks like the prices are coming down. The GPUs have dropped $22.99 down to about $16.85 right here. This must be a different card. $14.99 down to about $1,100. It's still expensive, but that's about a 35% drop. Also remember, Nvidia has reported dropping prices with AIB partners by 8 to 12%. According to recent polls. So the prices are going down across the board. The day after GeForce RT 30 series pricing started to drop worldwide, the party goes on. So yep, everybody, graphics cards are coming down 25 to 30 to 35% right this second. So if you wanted to be a gamer and you were looking in, you had your eye on a 3090 for 2,200, right now could be the time to get your graphics cards. So 30 to 35% down, that's actually promising. Again, 2,200 to 2,400 was a little bit high for some people. Not that around 1,500 to 1,600 to 1,100 is not high, but it's a lot better pricing. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, we were talking about gas prices, how those have been going up, and food prices. And one of the things on the channel, we talk about cryptocurrency projects. Now remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. We're just all friends here. Do your own homework. But we are setting up some node projects. We got started with vapor nodes the other day. We also got started with power nodes. So these are some of the projects that we're actually bringing to our channel, letting people know. Do your own homework, do your own research. But we did get started with vapor nodes to give you a quick little peek. So here's my Vapor Nodes account. I'm not going to go into big details, but I just want to show you this. I set up 5 nodes yesterday. My big one I named Hawaii. Milo is my second one. Sophie's my third one. Thor's my fourth one. And St. Patrick is my fifth one. I've not even been in for a day, so it says last claim was 0. My reward so far looks like I'm making around $11.20 daily. So we're already at about $11 daily. And here's my rewards. My big one's making 114 rewards so far, and all the small ones are making around almost 10. Now these small ones have a 20% compound bonus, diamond hand bonus. We'll do a video and kind of go over that. Also, I'm going to show you my, the nice thing about Vapor Notes is I'll leave my link in the description. If you do want to join, we are going to be talking about Vapor. All right, I'll go over here again. They're talking about the final countdown when they were setting everything up in Dubai here, Saitama. So fantastic there. I mean, a lot of good stuff going on. Take a look at all these pictures. I mean, just awesome stuff happening in Dubai. I mean, I wish I was there. These guys had a fantastic time. All right, we're going to play this little thing here from Dubai.
I'm here to talk to you about Saitama and why we are here changing the world of finance. With Saitama, it is a one-stop shop. You install the app, you have the ability to transfer, to buy, to sell, to swap your crypto inside the mask and other projects that we have vested for you so that it's safe for you, project that is in alignment with what we do in our wallet. So you can actually have a diverse portfolio inside Saitama and not only Saitama. Also, there is a project that we are going to push out later on in the future, and it is allowing you to make your own NFT, sell your NFT, buy the NFT on Saitama with an easy access, easy transaction, user-friendly, and it is giving young people the ability to think outside of the box, knowing that they can do more with the NFT space through Saitama. And with us, the next phase that we're planning to do is to allow people to buy their cryptocurrency with Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. And it is a big step forward because we call ourselves a leader in the DeFi space for that reason. We step out to do things very differently, and we step out to make sure that the people who are going into the crypto space having the ability to understand and to do things with ease. I will leave you with this. If you have any question at all, our team in the front at the booth will help you with that. And we would like to invite you to come over and join us, join the Wolf Pack. We have a very strong community that is here with you, hold your hand, allowing you to...
All right, so there you all the way from Dubai and stuff like that, which is fantastic. These guys won the most transparent award at the convention, which is absolutely fantastic, Saitama. Real happy for you. All right, back over here, CoinMarketCap. What's our price prediction? My price prediction today is to keep an eye on this cryptocurrency. There's a lot going on coming back from Dubai. It's down about 8% right now, but definitely keep an eye on it. GPU cards are going down 30 to 35%. Great time for gamers to get cards. Great time for miners to maybe grab some cards. Saitama won the most transparent at Dubai. Fantastic. Give them a congratulations. We're awesome there. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about 365% with Drip Network. Get 1% a day back every single day. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day. Just all educational purposes only here. Trying to help everybody. Thank you from Frank's Crypto Corner.